This is a Canon image class LBP 6230 printer, and this printer problem is power is not turning on. Today I'll repair this. Okay, 223 voltage present in this. Press the power button but not turning on. Okay, today I'll repair this. Let's start. And here is a mark. And this is the power supply, and this problem comes from this power supply. Okay, let's open this. And here is one screw, and here is one screw. After opening the motherboard, this circuit will be open. And this is the AC input side, and this part is the output. 1000 microfarad 50 volt capacitor used for filtering. And here is MOSFET, and which work for this super. Let's check it. Where is the problem? This is the AC input, and here is one fuse. This voltage enter this SMPS through this fuse, and here is another fuse, and this one is okay, and this fuse is open. This fuse work for the printer heater, that means fuser unit. Here is a connection, and this fuse work for the SMPS here, and this fuse is open. Check this. This one is rectifier. This is okay. No short circuit here. This is the output, and this output showing short. Here is something is shorted. Due to the shorted, and this fuse is open. This is the MOSFET SMPS driver, and here is another MOSFET, and this one work for this MOSFET gate. Okay, and here is a 2 octocoupler controlling the SMPS voltage. This is the output. Let's check this. Output is short. Rectifier is okay or not? Check this rectifier. This rectifier is okay. This one not short. Check this pin here. This is okay, but this pin is okay. Here is no short. This MOSFET is short. Due to the MOSFET short, and this fuse is cut off. And let's check this. This one is okay. This is the filter. This is okay. Let's open the MOSFET. This is short, and due to the MOSFET problem, and this fuse is cut off. Okay. Let's change it. This fuse is open. And when you work any power supply, definitely use the series line. Okay, I am using here 100-watt series line. Check the power and check it. AC, this is the input. Here is input 230 voltage. Check this main filter capacitor. Here is a 320 volts present. This is okay. And this is our output. Check it. Here is a 24 volt present. That means our power supply is okay. Okay, let's install it and check it. Printer has any problem or not. And this is for your knowledge. And sometime you can check the gate voltage. How much gate voltage is working for this MOSFET. Okay. And here is a 0.78 or 0.80 below 1 voltage, and this is perfect. Okay, power supply installation is complete and power also injected, and press the power button and check it. Yes, it is turned on. You can see there is a green LED glowing and printer is ready. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. It's working.